right, kiddos. So today you will be starting your concluding paragraph for your research paper. So you are reaching near the finish line. I don't want you to start this document. I don't want you to start this assignment until you have already completed the body paragraphs. And the body paragraph document, that's this one right here. And you've completed all 3 body paragraphs. And then I've also reviewed them. Then I would like you to start the concluding paragraph. Now, a conclusion, right? It wraps up everything that you've kind of discussed. It's not just a summary, but kind of wraps up your thoughts and everything that you've included. Concluding paragraphs in research papers should discuss why your topic, the event that you chose, or the person, for some of you, was so important to a society or culture, and what impact have they or has the event had on future events. That is the gist of a concluding paragraph. So we've given you some questions to think about right here. You can read them on your own to kind of generate some strong material for your concluding paragraph. Try not to leave anything out. If you feel you can't answer any of these questions, you might need to go and find the answers, right? That's the goal of research, is if you're not sure about something, you can find the answer. So, scrolling down here in purple, you are going to respond to these 5 boxes, and in these 5 boxes, you will detail your conclusion. So the first prompt or question is, why was your historical event so important? This is for you to kind of respond to and tell me, why do you think this event is something that is memorable and something that is worthy of remembering and maybe memorializing? The second question, why are we still talking and writing about this event today? What impact does it have on 2021 and the people who are alive in 2021? Some of your events are thousands or hundreds of years ago. Some of your events happened months ago. What impact is it having on people today? Because every one of your events, in some roundabout way, has an impact on people today. Next, what other events have happened as a result of this moment in history? These could be positive or negative developments. Explain the impact of this historical event on future events. And this should be 2 to 5 sentences long. Next, what people or groups of people did this historical event affect long term? How did this moment in history affect the economy, arts, jobs, technological advancements, politics, etc. of the area where the event occurred and the people who are involved? Then finally, you'll wrap up your essay with one final statement. It could be your opinion, a personal belief, or just something strong that regards and discusses your historical topic or is related to your historical topic. You might find a quote from someone who was there or an historical figure who is related to your topic. I have a very brief conclusion here. Yours will likely end up being a little bit longer, but this just kind of shows you how to wrap up a conclusion. So I'll kind of give you just a minute to read that on your own. And then you can go ahead and get started on these 5 boxes. As with anything that we've done with this research paper, I'd like to review it with you before you begin, or before you submit, rather. And yeah, then you're ready to move on if I give you an okay to your final draft. Good luck. Congratulations.